In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira bug. Whether you're tracking issues for a personal project or collaborating with a team, raising a bug correctly makes it easier for everyone to understand the problem and fix it fast. We'll walk through the process from opening Atlassian's site to marking the new item as a bug. Start by going to Atlassian.com. Atlassian is the company behind Jira, so this is where you access the product. On the homepage, click Sign Up. If you already have an account, just sign in as you normally would. The goal here is simply to get you into your Jira site so you can log the issue in the right place. Once you're in, go to your preferred project. This is the specific Jira project where the bug belongs, maybe your web app, mobile app, or internal tool. From the project sidebar, open the board or backlog you use most often so the issue lands where your team expects to see it. Now click Create in the column you want to add a task to. For example, you might choose the To-Do column, so the new item starts at the beginning of your workflow. This opens the issue editor right where you intend the card to appear on the board. Next, add the task. Give it a clear, concise summary that states the problem, like what's broken or what isn't behaving as expected. In the description, add helpful context, how to reproduce the issue, what you expected to happen, what actually happened, and any links or screenshots that illustrate the problem. Good details save time later and reduce back and forth. Look for the downward arrow in the issue type area. Click that arrow to open the list of available issue types. A drop-down menu will appear where you will click the option bug. Selecting bug ensures the issue uses your team's bug workflow, fields, and reports, so it's categorized correctly. Review what you entered to make sure it's accurate and readable. Clear titles and descriptions help teammates triage quickly and prioritize the fix. When you're done, your new item will be created as a bug and will show up in the column you chose, ready for assignment and tracking. That's it, simple and effective. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.